Hey friends, this is Atif here, and welcome to the new update on Filecoin. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that after breaking out a falling wedge pattern on the daily time frame chart, Filecoin has recently broken out another up channel. This was a quite long up channel. You can see that we entered the channel here on 27th of October. We got rejection here and bounce here. And here we had a fake out, but the price and we entered the channel. We had another bounce here. And finally, we broke down the channel here. And this was in fact a fake out because at the same time it was also moving inside this bullish pattern that was a falling wedge pattern. And after breaking out this wedge, after a few rejections by the previous support of the channel that was flipped into a resistance, and also it was getting rejected by this resistance, a short-term resistance of $5.40. It has been previously working as a resistance here, and support here. And now here for several days, it has been working as a resistance. And finally, after breaking out this resistance, the price line re-entered the same up channel. And after a few rejections, the price line broke out the resistance of the channel and this resistance of $8.12 as well. And now it is about to hit the next long-term resistance. This is, by the way, a quite long-term resistance of $11.40. But if we take a look at the oscillators, then you can see that RSI is extremely overbought. On the daily time frame chart for this past several days, it is moving in the overbought zone. And the stochastic is also extremely overbought, and we have also received a bear cross. You can see that this blue line has crossed down this orange line. Therefore, there is a probability that the price line may retest the previous resistance of the channel as a support before the next move to the upside. This time, the resistance of the channel will be somewhere here, approximately at $9.10. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you once again these two breakouts which are happening on the 7 days time frame chart from these two big falling wedges as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of Feb 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, the trade setup for tranches, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading view chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal. For example, in this case, I shared this signal on 15th of Feb 2024. And you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this play button like I'm going to do here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. And this was a quite powerful pump, by the way. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of Filecoin. First of all, let me to show you this daily time frame chart. And you can see that for the past several days after breaking out this wedge, the price line was moving inside this up channel. And here we had a fake out. The price line got rejected by this resistance of the next falling wedge pattern. And here we had another fake out. And the price line got bounced from the same support of this falling wedge pattern. Previously, it was rejected by the resistance of this wedge. And here it was bounced from the support of this wedge and also by this very long-term support of $4.60 as well. And after a few more rejections by their previous support of the channel that was flipped into a resistance, and this short-term resistance of $5.40, the price and finally broke out this support of the channel as a resistance and re-entered the same channel. And now we have broken out the resistance of this channel. Oscillators are extremely oversold, not oversold, overbought. You can see for the past several days, RSI is moving in the overbought zone. And stochastic is also moving in the overbought zone and it is also turning bearish. Therefore, I'm expecting that we may see a pullback and retest of the previous resistance of the channel as a support. And after a successful retest, it can try to break out the next resistance of $11.40. By the way, the target for this breakout from this up channel is here. That is approximately at $12.84. The target for this falling wedge pattern breakout was here at the top of the wedge at $9 approximately, and we have already achieved that target. And now if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then here you can see that we have already broken out two falling wedges. One was broken out here. This was a very big falling wedge pattern in the month of January 2023. We broke it out. And after that, we broke out another falling wedge pattern in the month of October 2023. So far from this though, when we were testing the support of this previous falling wedge pattern here, up till this current high, it has rallied more than 349.65%, almost 350%, and now it is about to hit this next long-term resistance of $11.40 that had been previously working as a very strong resistance here and also as a support here as well. Therefore, again, it can work as a strong resistance. Now, if we take a look at the targets for these two breakouts, then we have already achieved the target for this breakout from this wedge. That was here at the top of the wedge. And the target for this falling wedge pattern is here at the top of this wedge. That is between $250 to $300. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.